reading, writing, just being with yourself. Do we really spend time with ourselves? This is something we need to check. हमको थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता तो हम सो जाते हैं, रेस्ट करते हैं, एंड वो टाइम में हम लोग मैक्सिमम क्या हो व्हाट्सएप और ब्राउजिंग करते हैं. अरे पूरे दिन में अभी फ्री हो गए यार, चलो लेट के चलो उंगली चलाओ धड़ाधड़, and then chalo time up to make the tea and do that and do this, and again you're back in routine. So then when did you spend time for yourself? All of you need to actually have a diary where you put a time saying that 2 hours I'm going to spend with myself, at least 2 hours din ka. So then you'll say, where I'll remove these 2 hours? You can. See, yesterday also we spoke about cooking and the inefficiency and all that. We are spending hours and hours in the kitchen because we're inefficient also. We are not planning. It is possible. Exactly. Radhika says it's possible. I want everybody to say it's possible. Because suppose I need to cook. And if I have a cook, then why do I need to get into the kitchen? I have 2 hours left then directly. Now suppose cleaning I don't do. Then also I have some time left. Okay, I do all this. I work still 2 to 3 hours, I find easily. Exactly. You need to find these few hours for yourself. Otherwise, self-growth is impossible. Even if you're doing seva or anything, it doesn't matter. We then start putting our life there only, and then the self-growth stops. Because self-contemplation, being with yourself, spending time with yourself, happy in yourself, is very important. Very, very important. All of us need to do it. How you do it is your game. You have to search for time. कैसे भी ढूंढो, अपनी मर्जी हो, और नहीं बोलो कि नहीं हो सकता. It has to be there. So then start getting efficient in your work. Okay? Like suppose you're in the kitchen and you need to do this much. Pre-plan. Sit for 10 minutes and plan. If you plan, then the work gets faster done. Jaldi jaldi ho jata hai. Then you have time. But I'm not saying then we will say, nee, while cooking also I'm listening to kirtan and I'm listening to satsang and somehow I'm managing. Oh, theek hai, that's additional. Actually sitting with yourself doing nothing. Nothing in the sense, no work for others. Only with yourself, maybe writing, reading, listening, whatever you want to do. Sirf khud ke saath, no social media. Because there also, there are people. उसने ये पहना था, उसने ये कमेंट किया था, इसको लाइक करो, उसको ये करो. Don't get into that. Okay, do that. But that's not your time. Okay, that's not my me time. Do that like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, दिन का उसके लिए रख दो. But the special time for yourself, please take it out. And if you like to maybe chant the shlokas, sit with yourself and chant the shlokas. Learn to chant something. Don't do it like a routine. We do it actually. But हम लोग वो ऐसे routine में, I do it every day, so I'm doing it. ऐसे नहीं. Take the bliss in that. Take the joy in that. That's different. So what gives you joy? वो करना है. Pakka. At least start with 30 minutes or 1 hour and then slowly raise it. Because like Dhruvi said, it's addictive. You'll feel like doing little more, and that's how it will increase. Okay?